Happy 2020 everyone, my name is Hima and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just jumping into my look and I'm starting with my NYX No Filter Primer, followed by these LA Girl Pro Concealers for color correcting and contouring. Then I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in shade 455. So once I'm done buffing in my contour, I'm just going to go in and fill in my eyebrows, and then I'm going to be setting my eyelids with a brown matte eyeshadow. I'm then just grabbing a little bit of black eyeshadow and I'm just carving out the shape that I desire for today's look. I then decided I just wanted to smoke out that line, and then I'm just going to redefine them. I'm then just grabbing my curved eyeliner pen by Maybelline and I'm using that to just draw my wing. And for today, I am applying lashes. So I did buy these new lashes by Ardell, and they are the magnetic ones. I am coming out with a second video separately to show you how I applied those and my review on them. So stay tuned for that, guys. I'm just using this LA Girl white liner on my bottom waterline, and then I'm smoking out my lash line with the black eyeshadow. I'm then just grabbing this lip liner by Maybelline to fill in my lips, and then I'm going in with the L'Oreal matte nude shade 454 for my lips. So this is my final look. I hope you all loved it. I know I loved the way that it came out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm continuing this look and I'm going to be adding a little bit of glitz and shimmer and jewelry to the next video, and just wait till you see how that one comes out, you guys. I loved the way that it all pulled together. Thank you for watching, everyone. Stay tuned for more videos rolling out soon, and this video is to be continued.